this is what true power looks like. Now you might not think this is strong, but I can tell you it is powerful. Insane. This is Cripple Moab and Ice Impair just to do more damage. 1,000,000 pops. This is what true power looks like. Okay, let's send a couple. No, monkey can't win. And we'll just... Holy. Super brittle, making it more brittle. Could I actually beat this? It's actually working. We didn't lose a single life. Wow. If that counts as this. That is a lot of pops. Now I'm just adding in so many just extra damage towers. This is how you cut a Moab like cheese. Oh, bad, I meant like cheese. This is so fun. What am I doing? So I've gotten a Dora. And that's all I've gotten. I've gotten Admin, Brickle, and Sai. I'm probably gonna get Admin, Brickle, and the last thing I'm gonna get is Sai. Even that Sai is very good in chins. And other things. But they all have one thing in common. Heroes are like a meta towers. gigantic monkey. He's actually a small foot monkey, but he's actually apparently gigantic. He can still stand in water, can't he? Can he? We'll just go to Pat's Pond, since that's the easiest one. Wait, why do I have a door on? Oh, I didn't press select. Okay, let's do this again. I swear if you can't, I can still do it. Just get rid of some much needed out towels. He just stands on the waterfall out. Look at him. Holy. This is the only other tower but the true sun god that can actually stay in water. The true sun god is one of the only ones that can stay in water. And here's me showing you. Yep. Wait, what is that doing in the corner? My recording thing, or OBS Studios, that's what I use. Pat is huge. He's even more gigantic than he was before. Pat is absolutely huge. Like a valley is big. Who's gonna get the most points against a bad? Wait, oh, you can only use it once. And if I make him very, very powerful, and I send out another bad, he's really going. He's doing the most damage. Pat Fusty. He's doing a lot. The true sun god can't eat. So yeah. I guess Pat Fusty has actually gotten bigger. Snipers are probably more relaxed now. Look at them. Just having a swim. Okay, that's enough. Well, Pat has gotten bigger. Well, I haven't done a monkey lore video in a while. Also, I have this golden border. I don't know what a golden border is. If someone can tell me. Is it for, like, something they added in the new patch? I don't know. I think it's because I always went home and out just so I can beat it, you know what I mean? Maybe that's what did it. And also, I might make a series about completing all my actual achievements. Because I have a lot of achievements. Wait, 20 different odysseys. Monkalus. Yeah, this is what I got. Yeah, I have heroes, but I don't have any skins. Like, I haven't tried getting skins, because I kind of don't really care about skins. I do want to get some for Benjamin, but that might cost another video. But we all know the most powerful damage tower is definitely the big plane, no doubt. Just the big plane. Just no doubt, big plane. It can destroy a round one bad, like nothing. Oh, it'll take a while. Okay, speed it up. Yeah, it was speedy. Shoot it down, shoot it down. Oh, he doesn't have camo detection. He can see. Yep, Hindenburg 2. As one YouTuber calls him. I'm not gonna say which one. There's a lot of YouTubers. And okay, I guess that's the end of the video. That was just me explaining how powerful how powerful monkeys are. Bye.